it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get started on the truck, I do want to mention the Mazda. Some of you guys have emailed and messaged me about the car. Don't worry, we still have it. It's in the back of the house underneath the carport. It's just we worked on that car day in and day out. We put so much work, and there's so much work left that we're just kind of burnt out on the car. We're just taking a little break. So if you do want to see that car done, be sure to drop a like on this video. But anyways, today we're going to continue working on the 2014 Chevy Silverado, and one of our goals is to go ahead and trim out that driver rear door. And since it is black, we're going to go ahead and use some sealer. Sealer is a whole lot cheaper, and it's going to give us a better coverage on this burgundy paint. And then the other thing we want to do is go ahead and throw primer on all the body work. So stay tuned and let's get this video rolling. Check this out, boys. We got the truck all taped off and ready to go. All the body work feels nice and smooth, at least to me. But we're going to find out what primer says. And we went ahead and also threw some icing or glazing, whatever you want to call this stuff. It's supposed to take away any of the pinholes that you might have in the filler. It's going to be a little difficult to get to the roof right over here. We're probably going to have to use a ladder or something. But let's go ahead and mix up some primer and get this slicked in. Dang, dude, that thing looks slick. That's just the first coat. We're gonna let that dry for a little bit. It is really cold outside. Then we'll slick it in with the second coat.
Go ahead and pop that heater back on. Well, yeah, it is looking pretty good.
Okay, so the sealer laid down nice and smooth. We got 3 layers on there. So now let's go ahead and mix up some base coat and slick this in. Let's do it. Alright boys, that's a wrap for this episode. We got primer on all the body work and everything feels nice and smooth. We just have to go back and sand all that. We also got that driver rear door all trimmed out so we can get some of that back together. The only thing that's holding us up just a little bit are the fenders, which big shout out to Caleb, who's a subscriber of the channel. He hooked us up with both fenders. We ordered them right after Christmas. It's been taking almost a year to come in. Just kidding, guys. You know how it is around the holidays. I'm hoping those will be in the next episode. They're coming out of Ohio. With all this being said, thank you guys so much for rocking with the channel. All the support and feedback is much appreciated. And if you are new on the channel and you like what you see, be sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on anything. Follow us on Instagram at Danny.tv. The link will be in the description. And if you do want to show us some love and send us something, I did create a P.O. box. The address is in the description. With all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching till the end, and I'm out. I'll catch you in the next one.